Nature's beauty is breathtaking with its towering mountains, picturesque landscapes, and vibrant colored rivers. Unfortunately, many of us can't explore these wonders in person. However, thanks to the advancements in drone technology and high-definition cameras, we can now witness hidden marvels of the world that were once thought to be inaccessible or non-existent. Join us on a journey to uncover 20 remarkable discoveries, from the enigmatic blue eye of Africa to when a drone makes a chilling discovery in a canyon that no one is supposed to see. Blue eye of Africa. Number 20, the giant blue eye of Africa. The Ree structure, sometimes referred to as the blue eye of Africa or the eye of the Sahara, is an intriguing geological feature that, when viewed from above, particularly with the aid of drone technology, resembles a massive eye. This amazing landmark is visible from space because it is so large and distinct. Drone footage of the peaceful heights reveals the wrought structure, a cosmic work of art carved out of the barren Sahara Desert. It is a fascinating and mysterious sight with its almost perfect round structure and concentric rings radiating outward from a central point. Drone footage reveals the symmetrical patterns that span the terrain, highlighting the minute features of this enormous creation. Because of its round form, some people initially believed it was formed by a meteorite impact, while others believed it might be a volcanic formation. Nevertheless, the volcanic explanation has been proven false due to the lack of volcanic materials in the formation. Nowadays, the most widely accepted theory states that the wrought structure was created by the gradual erosion of a prehistoric granite dome. The regularity of the Risha structure's concentric rings, each precisely separated from the central peak, adds to its allure. The structure's attraction and the scientific curiosity it arouses are enhanced by this exact geometric arrangement, which is challenging to understand geologically speaking. The rat structure offers a singular window into Earth's past. The worn rock strata provide important information about the millions of years of sedimentation, uplift, and erosion processes that have produced this unique, human-like feature. Human-like town. Number 19, human-like town. Without the help of a drone, few would have realized the unique shape of Centuripe, a town on the Italian island of Sicily. When viewed from above, Centuripe astonishingly resembles the silhouette of a person who might have had a bit too much to drink, a quirky yet beautiful perspective. This new way of seeing familiar places is one of the wonders of aerial photography, and photographer Andrea Perry captured this in a truly remarkable way. Perry, a native of Centuripe, used his drone to photograph his hometown, revealing a surprising feature that brought widespread attention to the small village. While Centuripe was already known for its rich collection of Roman ruins and rare ancient sculptures, Perry highlighted its distinctive geography. After spotting its unusual shape on Google Earth, he decided to take his drone to the skies and explore further. What he discovered was that Centuripe's 5 distinct points radiate out from a central hub, forming a shape that unmistakably resembles a human figure. Due to the limitations of his drone, Perry had to stitch together multiple images to capture the entire village. When he shared these images online, they quickly went viral, earning Centuripe the name, "the town that looks like a human." For those skeptical of Perry's work, a quick glance at Google Earth confirms that this image was not altered. The ancient town, perched on a hill for strategic reasons, dates back to the 16th century and is home to about 5,000 residents today. Its tiny, winding streets and terraced buildings add to its charm. But the real mystery lies in its design. Was this human-like shape the result of natural forces, or did some visionary minds plan it centuries ago? One thing is certain: Mother Nature is always full of surprise. Apennine Colossus looming over the landscape. The Apennine Colossus is a formidable sight. This colossal sculpture, carved from stone, is a personification of the Apennine Mountains themselves. Its imposing figure, crafted by Renaissance master Bologna, dominates the landscape with a raw, primordial power. Legend has it that the Apennines, once a formidable foe, were subdued by the legendary Annus and his Roman army. This ancient battle is said to be the inspiration for the Colossus, a symbol of both conquest and reverence for the mountain range. Bologna, drawing inspiration from the Titan Atlas, sculpted the figure as a wise, ancient guardian watching over the land. Standing tall at 35 feet, the Colossus is more than just a statue, it's a testament to human ingenuity and a celebration of nature's grandeur. Its weathered face and imposing stature evoke a sense of awe and respect, making it a truly unforgettable sight. Number 10, Confluence in Geneva. In Geneva, Switzerland, the convergence of the Rhône and Arve rivers creates a breathtaking natural display. The Rhône, flowing from the pristine Lake Geneva, showcases its clear turquoise waters. In sharp contrast, the Arve, which rushes down from the Alps, carries a significant amount of sediment, giving it a muddy brown appearance. When these two rivers meet, their distinct colors blend yet remain visibly separate for a remarkable distance, crafting a stunning visual contrast of blues and browns. The arrival of drone technology has revolutionized our ability to capture and study this spectacular phenomenon. Drones provide a unique aerial perspective, capturing the confluence with remarkable clarity and detail. The high-resolution images and videos not only offer a mesmerizing view but also serve as essential tools for scientific investigation. Researchers use drone footage to explore the hydrodynamics of this meeting point. They analyze how the river's varying temperatures, sediment levels, and flow rates interact and what effects these factors have on the local ecosystem. This information is vital for environmental monitoring, conservation efforts, and enhancing our understanding of river dynamics and their impact on surrounding habitats. Number 9. Primitive tribe discovered. Recently, a drone has made a stunning find deep beneath the Amazon rainforest, a remote prehistoric community that lives completely away from the contemporary world. Brazil's Indigenous Affairs Agency made this surprising discovery while on an excursion close to the Juruá River. This group is committed to locating these remote villages and defending their autonomy and cultural integrity. The discovery of the drone has greatly advanced conservation and anthropological study. What precisely did the drone find? Before this trip, archaeologists had discovered artifacts that seemed to point to the existence of a solitary tribe, like stone axes and traditional canoes. Still, the drone offered the first thorough aerial photograph of their community. Pictures taken from the drone's memory card showed that the tribe had cleared an area, chopped down trees, built homes, and grown vegetables there. The images suggest that the tribe is happy and self-sufficient in their seclusion, deliberately avoiding contact with others to protect themselves from harmful influences and illnesses. There are perhaps 70 such tribes in Brazil, and this one is just one of many isolated groupings. Every new finding deepens our understanding of these distinct cultures and emphasizes the critical role that technology like drones plays in protecting them and their way of life. Number 8. Hiker rescued from cave. In Bell Canyon, a drone makes a chilling discovery in a canyon that no one is supposed to see. A hiker found himself trapped in a narrow, dark cave after a sudden rockslide. Fortunately, a drone surveying the area spotted the hiker's movements near the cave entrance. Realizing the hiker was in urgent need of assistance, the drone operators quickly alerted the rescue team. Equipped with ropes and climbing gear, the rescuers utilized the drone footage to navigate the difficult terrain and reach the trapped individual. The team carefully assisted the exhausted hiker out of the cave, ensuring their safety. This incident highlighted the crucial role of modern technology, such as drones, in emergency situations. By providing real-time visuals and aiding in navigation, drones proved to be an invaluable tool for locating and rescuing individuals in remote and challenging environments. The hiker was safely brought to medical care and recovery. Number 7. Mizhan Grotto. The Mizhan Grottos in China's Gansu province are ancient cave dwellings adorned with intricate Buddhist sculptures and murals. Preserving this 1,600-year-old treasure has been a challenge due to their remote cliffside location. In recent years, drones have become an invaluable tool in protecting the Mizhan Grottos. These unmanned aerial vehicles can access hard-to-reach areas and capture high-resolution imagery, enabling experts to closely monitor the site's condition. Drones have helped detect early signs of erosion and damage, as well as assess the impact of external factors like weather and human activity. A notable example occurred in 2018, when a drone detected an impending landslide triggered by heavy rainfall. Thanks to the drone's timely intervention, a potential catastrophe was averted.